In this video, we'll show you how to unlock your car when the battery is completely dead. This will allow you to open the hood in a few simple steps so you can recharge the battery or replace it if needed. If the mechanical key that slides out of your key fob, or is hidden under its cover, won't open your car, you'll need to find another way to unlock it. One option is to apply 12 volts of power from the outside. By using jumper cables or a portable jump pack, you can supply temporary power to the vehicle. Just enough for the central locking system to activate when you press the key fob. To do this, you'll need access to the starter motor. The starter motor is usually mounted low on the side of the engine, near where the engine meets the transmission. Start by removing any underbody panels or splash shields beneath the engine. These are normally held on with a few plastic clips or bolts. Once the panel is removed, locate the starter motor. On the starter, you'll see a thick, heavy-gauge cable attached to a metal terminal. This is the main power cable coming directly from the battery. Flip open the protective rubber or plastic cover on that terminal. Attach the positive or red clamp of your jumper pack or jumper cables to that metal terminal on the starter motor. Next, attach the negative or black clamp to a solid metal part of the engine block or chassis. Any clean, unpainted surface will work. Now, if you're using a jumper pack, switch it on. If you're using jumper cables, connect the other ends to a working 12-volt battery. First positive to positive, and finally negative to negative. At this point, your car with the dead battery is receiving temporary power through the starter motor cable. Press the unlock button on your key fob and the doors should unlock. Once the car is unlocked, disconnect the cables, always removing the negative cable first to avoid sparks or accidental short circuits. You can now open the hood and access your 12-volt battery. From here, you can charge it or replace it. If the battery charge has dropped extremely low, it may not recover even with charging, so replacing it is often the best option. And that's it! You've successfully unlocked your car even with a completely dead battery. If this video helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more useful car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.